In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and access Location section. Then click on this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!